Hi, I'm Pam Lengle, Mid-Atlantic Corporate's Accounting Director, filling in for Jeff Stoner, and this is your financial update for the third quarter of 2014. The corporate contributed $838,000 in net income to retained earnings during the third quarter of 2014. This, along with perpetual contributed capital, increased Mid-Atlantic's total capital to $188.8 million, of which $179.3 million is considered to be Tier 1 capital. Tier 1 capital consists of $33.9 million in retained earnings and $145.4 million in perpetual contributed capital. Total capital includes the Tier 1 capital, $9.4 million in non-perpetual capital accounts, as well as adjustments for minority-owned non-consolidated subsidiaries. Member deposits decreased $365.3 million during the third quarter, which in turn decreased Mid-Atlantic Corporate's assets to $2.2 billion. This decrease in assets was as a result of normal liquidity trends at our member credit unions. The decrease in assets combined with the increase in capital resulted in a quarter-end leverage ratio of 6.9%. The leverage ratio is the corporate's equivalent to the net worth ratio and must be at or above 4% to be considered adequately capitalized. In addition to the leverage ratio, Mid-Atlantic Corporate ended the third quarter with a 1.3% retained earnings ratio, which far exceeds the regulatory minimum requirement of 45 basis points. Finally, the quarter-end Tier 1 risk-weighted capital ratio was 26.7%, and the total risk-weighted capital ratio is 28.2%. These ratios far exceed their regulatory minimum requirements and reflect a low level of inherent risk within the corporate's investment portfolio. That's the financial update for the third quarter of 2014. Thank you to all of our members whose continued support has enabled your corporate to end another quarter with positive results to earnings and capital. If you would like more details regarding our third quarter financial performance, please visit the corporate's website at midatlanticcorp.org. Thank you again, and I hope you have a great day.